Hello and welcome, this is Cybertron Shadow back again with another video on networking. Before we start, consider subscribing to the channel. In this tutorial we are going to cover configuring of DHCP server, using one DHCP server in different network and using router as a server. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, it is a protocol used in the internet. While DHCP server is used to assign IP addresses to devices in the network. This makes it easier since no manual assigning of IP addresses in the network. So let's look at Packet Tracer on how to configure the server. To use DHCP in more than one network. In the router configuration, one has to navigate to the interface where the network doesn't have the server and use the IP helper address, then enter the IP of the DHCP server like illustrated.
Anabolic beats.
Router as a DHCP. Since the cost of server are high, one can opt to use a router as a DHCP. Configure the pool name, the excluded IP address, the network, DOLT gateway and DNS, then save the configuration. Let's see in Packet Tracer.
Anabolic beats.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like or more content.